okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do it. I was in South Africa for 15 good years. I was in this country by the name South Africa, and I saw everyone put on Nike. I'm like, what? What is this? I was very surprised down to the core. I was very shocked down to the core. I was so flabbergasted down to the core. I'm like, what is this? I went to my university. I went to my university to study. I was doing my degrees. I got a scholarship from my country, Zimbabwe. Then I went to my university in this other province, in this other town, in this other city, a great university, a legendary university. And I saw my classmates, even my churchmates. I saw people within my town, within my campus, within my city, in the province. A lot of them, most of them put on Nike, Nike shoe, Nike shoe. I'm like, what is this? Until after so many years down the line, so many months, so many years down the line, I came to know, I came to understand that these guys, it's like they're married to Nike. They got a good marriage with Nike. Nike is a shoe brand from America, United States of America, a shoe brand, a global shoe brand, a global sports apparel or shoe brand from America, United States of America. This is where Nike come from. So a lot of South Africans, they like this shoe. And in my own terminology, I say, or in my jargon, I say they are married to Nike. So much married to Nike. A very good marriage it is. A very beautiful marriage it is. I was surprised. And now, at that time, I didn't have money. I could not afford to buy myself a pair of Nike. I didn't have money that time. When I first entered or landed in South Africa. So I was busy checking. I was busy looking. I'm observing. I'm like, yeah, what is this? So I began to look for the prices. And I saw, what is this price? 1.5 rand, 1.6, 1.7, 2,000 rand, 2.5, 2.7, depending on the model of the Nike. The model of the Nike. I'm like, what? What's happening here? I was very surprised down to the core. I'm telling you. I was so shocked down to the core. I'm telling you. I was so flabbergasted down to the core. I am telling you. So South Africans, right now I know I have this knowledge, good understanding, perfect knowledge, perfect understanding that they like Nike. They are they are married to Nike, much more married to Nike. Of course, it's a good marriage. It's a beautiful marriage. It's a very nice marriage. This shoe brand from America. And I came to know later on down the months, down the years, that there are many Nike shops, original Nike shops in South Africa, in most of the towns or cities in South Africa, Nike shops or Nike stores, or by extension, you can even buy Nike online. This is what they're doing now in this age of online buying. I'm like, yo, what is this? Then Jehovah blessed me with the money. Jehovah God blessed me with the money at different points of time in my life. Then I saw myself buying Nike until I was addicted to Nike. I would buy like 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, 6, 7 pairs of Nike, and I don't even care. All the Nike products, Nike socks for men, Nike t-shirts for men, Nike jackets or Nike hoodie jackets for men. I saw myself buying, and I didn't care. At whatever cost, at whatever price, I would buy them. Nike socks, Nike jackets, anything Nike. So I came also to love the brand. I came also to love the brand. And I became very much addicted. Even now, I'm so addicted to Nike. One of my best brand in my life in terms of clothing is Nike. Is Nike for sure. And most of my clothes, my clothing items, clothing products on my body in my wardrobe. They are branded Nike, Nike, Nike this, Nike that. I was so surprised. And this behavior, this style, this lifestyle, it also catch up on me. I saw myself buying the same Nike, Nike shoes, Nike whatever, Nike this, Nike that, Nike this, Nike that. Until right now, I'm so addicted to Nike. So this is what I mean when I say, South Africans, they are married to Nike. They are so much married to Nike. Not only in my town, not only in my city, around South Africa, girls, boys, older men, older women, you see them put on Nike, wearing on Nike. I'm like, what? What is this? What's happening here? Which is totally different from my country, Zimbabwe, from my nation, Zimbabwe. It's totally different. It's rare to find somebody put it on Nike. It's rare to see someone put it on Nike. I'm talking about original Nike, original version of Nike, original brand, original models of Nike, original. It's so rare in my country, Zimbabwe, to see someone put on Nike, an original one. But in South Africa, it's just common, just ordinary. Nothing surprising, nothing shocking. But to me, based on where I'm coming from, or judging from where I'm coming from, it was an issue. I'm like, what is this? What's happening here? I was so surprised. I was so shocked. I was so flabbergasted when I entered South Africa, when I landed in South Africa, and all the time when I was there, all the years, all the months when I was there, until this spirit, this behavior, this lifestyle also entered me. And I began to do the same things that they were doing. And as I go forward with the life, I don't see myself uh, not buying Nike or stopping myself to buy Nike. No, forever is going to be my brand, my go-to brand in terms of clothing. When I need socks, when I need maybe shorts, when I need trousers, shoes, sneaker, techie, whatever name you can call it, in terms of clothing for a man, for a guy, in this modern world, in this 21st century, Nike is going to be my go-to brand. Like what I saw in this country, in this nation, Republic of South Africa. Based on what I've said in this video, what do you say? What is your take? What's your comment? Your view, your opinion, your comment? Write or type in the comment section. I'll come and see them out or check them out. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.